So, good morning children. So today we are going to start a very new topic. So that is what? Coordinate geometry. A little introductions you have learned in class class 8 itself about coordinate geometry. Here we will get little bit more here in class 9. Okay. Now you see children. So whatever geometry you have learned till today, you have learned about what? Plane geometry only. So in your higher studies, when you will go past class 10, up to class 10 only plane geometry is there. After that you have to go for what? Coordinate geometry only. So let us try to understand what is coordinate geometry and what is the meaning of this coordinate. Okay. Okay. So let us take one situation here. Okay. Suppose this is your classroom. These are the benches. These are the benches and these are the rows. How many rows are there in your classroom? Let us say 4 rows are there in your classroom. Okay. Now suppose this is your entrance. So, okay, 4 rows are there and these are the benches. So in this row, how many benches are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this one 9 benches are there. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 8 benches are there. Okay. Now suppose in this bench, Haritasar is sitting. Haritasar is sitting. Okay. In this bench, who is sitting? Haritasar is sitting. Okay. Suppose one teacher asks, someone asks, where Haritasar is sitting. Okay. Then I told him that yes, you go to row number 3. There Haritasar is there. Okay. Now, when that man will enter the row number 3, here also, this is row number 3. What information I have gave to that person? That in row number 3, this particular boy is sitting. Okay. Means he want to know the location of that boy. Okay. He want to know the location of the boy Tasar. Okay. Now, you see, if I told him that you go to row number 3, you will get Tasar. So here also Tasar may be sitting. Here also, here also, here also he may be sitting. Here also he may be sitting. Here also may be sitting. Here also he may be sitting. Here also he may be sitting. Are you getting? Whether I have given the what? Appropriate information of the location of that boy to that person. Okay? He will confuse. When he will come to row number 3, he will confuse. Where is Tasar is sitting? Are you getting? Where Tasar is sitting? Here, 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 here. I have not given the exact information to that person. That's why he will find difficulty to find the location of that particular boy. Understood? So my information is not 100% correct in this case. So that's why that man is unable to find the exact location of that boy. Okay. If I say to that man, go to the row number 3, bench number 4. Okay. 2 information. Row number 3, bench number 4. Okay. If I have given this information, you go to row number 3, bench number 4, you will find whom? Tasar. Are you getting? You will find what? Tasar. So definitely, obviously, when I will give these informations to this person, to that person, he will go directly to the row number 3 and he will see which is bench number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here that boy is sitting. Okay. So from this small incident, what we came to know? We came to know that to find the exact location of a body, okay, to find the exact location of a body, we need how many information? We need what? 2 information. Are you getting? We need 2 information to find the exact location of a body. We need 2 information. And that 2 information is called what? Coordinate. Okay, that 2 informations is called what? Coordinate. And in this chapter, we will try to understand what is coordinate and how to locate the coordinate in this situation. Okay. So in my first case, I have given only that information. You go to row number 3, you will find. It is not that correct information. Okay, that this is not correct information. Now the correct information I am giving. Go to row number 3, bench number 4. There you will get the exact location of that boy. All right. Is it clear to you? So here we will discuss about this one. Clear? Now one more information. In situation and second. Suppose here I am writing one dot. Okay. If I ask what is the location of this, suppose this is a plane. This that board, this green board is a plane, and in that plane one dot is there. And I want to find out what is the location of this dot. Okay. So I asked to somebody, he told like me, like that, sir, this point is 5 centimeter from the bottom of the board and 3 centimeter from the left side of the board. This is correct. This is a correct information. Or are you getting? If I ask what is the location of this point, then what your answer may be? Your answer may be this point is located 5 centimeter from below of the what board and 3 centimeter from the left side of the board. This is also a to find the location you can tell like this also. So suppose if you say like this point is 20 centimeter from the right side of the board and this point is located what? Let us say 10 centimeter from the upper side of the board. Okay. So to find the exact location, we need what? Two information, and that two information is called your what? Coordinate. Okay. So now we'll discuss how to represent this coordinate. Okay. How to represent the coordinate that we are going to discuss now. Regarding this coordinate, one more thing I want to tell you. Suppose nowadays you have seen so many cyber crimes are going on. Okay. So when you complain, the investigation agency to find out the what to find you, you will file a complaint. Let us say that this person has did these things in social media platform, or he has written such bad things about someone or something. Okay, then that investigation what agency, what they will find out the what coordinate only, your mobile's coordinate, the location of the coordinate from any part of the world. If you do the crime, you will be pick up from that point only. There is such a strong branch, that is coordinate geometry. If the coordinates of your location will be found, the investigation agency will pick up from wherever you are hiding. From there itself they will pick up. Okay, so such a suppose a plane is flying in the sky. So from ATC, means air traffic control, they know where the plane is moving or flying, in which place. How they came to know? It is due to coordinate geometry only. Understood? Now we have sophisticated gadgets. With the help of that gadgets, they will calculate, they will find out the exact location, and that is possible. That things are possible only due to this coordinate geometry only. So just think it, such a strong branch, that is coordinate geometry. Okay. So now next we will learn how to represent a coordinate in a place. So now you see. So I hope you understood what is coordinate. So coordinate, suppose this is 2 coordinate. So we always represents a coordinate in under a what? Bracket. This is a bracket we have to put. If you will not put the bracket, it is not a coordinate. And this one is called what? X coordinate. This is called X coordinate or what? And this is called Y coordinate. Y coordinate. And another name of X coordinate is abscissa. Abscissa. And the another name of Y coordinate is what? Ordinate. Not coordinate, ordinate. Okay? So the coordinates will represent like this. It will be under the bracket. And the first one is X coordinate, and second one is what? Y coordinate. And the Y coordinate, another name is ordinate, and X coordinate, another name is what? Abscissa. Okay. Now, it is always remember, in the first place we are always writing the what? X coordinate. Not, you cannot sense 4. This is not equal to what? Like this. Okay, yeah, equal nahi hai. Always you have to write. First you have to write X coordinate, then Y coordinate. You cannot write the Y coordinate here, and you cannot write the X coordinate here. It is not equal. Okay, remember that. Now let us see how to represent this coordinate in a plane. Okay, so Rene Descartes, one mathematician, he suggested that to represent a coordinate, we need a Cartesian plane. We need a Cartesian plane. So what is Cartesian plane? Let us try to discuss. Suppose this is the board. This board is called your plane. Okay. So when you draw one vertical line and one horizontal line, when you draw one vertical line and one horizontal line, okay, in a plane, this plane is converted into what? Cartesian plane. Okay, and this is called what? Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane. This is called a Cartesian plane. So for drawing a Cartesian plane, what you have to do? You have to draw one vertical line and one horizontal line that should be perpendicular with each other. Okay, so that is called Cartesian plane. So for what purpose we are drawing the Cartesian plane? To represent a coordinate on the plane. To represent a coordinate on a plane, we need what? Cartesian plane. And this horizontal line is called x-axis. This horizontal line is called x-axis. And this vertical line is called y-axis. This vertical line is called y-axis. And two lines, the vertical line and the horizontal line, where they intersect, this vertical line, this horizontal line, they intersect here or not. This point is called what? Origin. This point is called origin. Okay? And this is called x-axis, and this is called what? Y-axis. Correct? And here all the positive numbers will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like this it will be. And here in this side, left side, the negative numbers. -2, -3, -4, -5, like this. And here 3, 4, 5, and here negative numbers. Okay, so this is Cartesian plane. And when you draw a Cartesian plane into in a plane, you see this plane is divided into 4 parts. First part, second part, third part, fourth part. And these are called what? Quadrant. These are called what? Quadrant. This is called first quadrant. This place is called what? First quadrant. This place is called first quadrant. This is called second quadrant. And this is called third quadrant. and this is called fourth quadrant. Clear? So these are the basic things of a what? Cartesian plane. I hope you understood what is x-axis, what is y-axis, what is origins, what is first coordinate, what are quadrants, and what is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. So these things is required in a what? Cartesian plane. Suppose I want to locate this number. I want to plot this number 3 minus 4. So what is the x coordinate here? X coordinate is 3, and what is y coordinate? Y coordinate is minus 4. So x coordinate. So this is the x axis. Now I want to locate this point in the Cartesian plane. So this is what? 3. X coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is minus 4. So x coordinate, this is 3. Okay, and y coordinate minus 4. This is y coordinate minus 4 is this one. So how you locate? Like this. So this is the position of what? This point. So we will locate a coordinate in the Cartesian plane like this. So is it clear to you? Okay. So this is a brief introduction of the coordinate geometry. The remaining part we will see in our next class. So I hope all of you understood the brief. So only that much is there in what? Class 9. Okay, that's the brief introduction. In class 10 you will get little more about coordinate geometry. Then when you go for the higher classes, you will learn more about coordinate geometry. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Thank you very much and have a nice day.